I've tried all sorts of different ways to try to maximize tire shine. And so I wanted to demonstrate for you a product I've been trying out here called Exoforma Car Care Permashine Tire Coating. The manufacturer says it's supposed to replace the traditional dressing. So we'll give it a try here. We'll start with the cleaning process. It says you're supposed to wash your vehicle, or your tires I should say, multiple times. You can see there on the actual rubber of the tire that blackish brownish color there. On the website for the product there are a lot of reviews there that talk about cleaning the tire, making sure that you get it cleaned properly before you apply the coating. So we'll go through several washes here to try to see if we can achieve that goal with getting the foam from the spray to stay white instead of turning that brown color. You'll notice I'm just using Dawn dishwashing soap. It's that power pump spray called Platinum Power Wash. These tires didn't have any significant brake dust or anything really, just needed to be surface cleaned. So I wanted to try this product out just to see how it would work. So I'm going to use just a paintbrush to apply this product. I think many of the videos and examples that I've seen, the application is on a smooth tire. You can see this particular truck has all-terrain tires with a fairly aggressive side groove. So there's a lot of spaces that maybe the terry cloth or the microfiber towel can't reach. So I just use a fairly inexpensive paintbrush, try to get in all those nook and crannies, and I'll follow up with a wipe down with a microfiber sponge, and then I'll also try to cover any spaces and get the extra runoff as well.